Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be working on the Generation 1 JLB Cheetah, and I'm going to be trying to fix this motor mount right here. So this motor mount, it kind of broke when I crashed into a rock head on. So if you notice there's a bent right there, so it doesn't really line up. And then down here, it's also bent. I don't know if you guys could see that on camera, but it's not really straight. This thing is going that way. It's kind of curving this way. And also this part broke too. This lip right here goes all the way to back here, and it broke off. So I'm gonna try to put this back on and see if it works. Oh, it's not going in. It's not going in, guys. It's not going in. See if I could maybe gently tap this. Wow, it looks like it lines up. Let's see if it meshes. Yeah, it's really tight. Let's give it some wiggle. Ooh, that's perfect. Let's see if I can screw this down and give it a test. I'm going to be using this red Loctite to put on these screws to make sure they never come back out. It's pretty cool how it's a gel. This thing is never coming back out. Trying to find the mesh. That's good enough. Alright, time for the next hole. Alright guys, moment of truth. Got the screws back in. Got it kind of aligned. Got the mesh all nice and neat and perfect. So before I put on all of this cover, let's give it a test. Let's try reverse. Okay. far so good. So the real test is when we go out and bash this thing. So that's basically it for today, guys. Redid the motor mount. It was pretty bad. I had to hammer it a few times and pretty satisfied. I've also had to re-drill some of the holes up here to line up with the screws because it wasn't lining up, but I got it to line up. It's working now. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy this one. Make sure to stay tuned for the next repair video, because the next one I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove the center drive shaft. And then after that, that's basically it. This truck is done, and then we could go out and bash this thing until it breaks again and then start all over. But that's basically it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoy that. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, and yeah, stay safe. Cheers.